If you want to take your camping experience to the max, let's do it in this 31 Sunroom by Springdale. One of the first things you'll notice in this 31 sunroom are all of the windows, 120 square feet to be exact. You'll also notice our extra large patent pending waterproof pass-through storage, designed with maximum cargo capacity in mind, as well as every camper's favorite, a portable campsite table. You'll also notice our exterior tough coat metal, designed to resist dinging and scratching much better than the competition. First thing you're going to notice when you step inside the 31 sunroom is our sunken living room design. Our 50-inch TV mounted on a televator. Also included an interior Bluetooth sound system. Once you step up from our sunken living room, you'll notice our bistro table. With maximum entertainment in mind, you'll also notice the great amount of storage that we designed into our kitchen, including our large glass front refrigerator. When you step into the bathroom, you'll notice 10 different touch points to our oxygenic shower head, as well as all the metal towel racks and shelves. Once you step into the master suite, you'll notice tons of storage, as well as nice creature comforts like our Olympic king-size bed, as well as storage nooks. If you have any questions or want to see any more features, head to KeystoneRV.com.
Keystone. Proven in the wild.